Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005, 2013, and we'll show you if your air conditioner, okay, the AC does not work, where to find the fuse for the AC compressor, the clutch, and you actually have two fuses that you need to check. And now let me start by telling you that this generation BMW actually uses 3 different fuse boxes depending on when your BMW was built and which model you have. So you have to always double check that. Now let's go ahead inside and I'm going to show you where to find these 2 fuses. Let me tell you quick, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let's start on it now. We need to come to the passenger side, okay, and open the glove box here. Behind the glove box are your fuses. So, okay, you can see that cover here. Okay, this cover needs to come out. And how we do that, the round things on the sides, you need to turn them 90 degrees to unlock them, to point up. So they need to be vertical and get it out of the way now. You can just go ahead and pull it out. Now, we have 2 fuses that we need to check. The first one is fuse number 29. Okay, 29 is, if you come, okay, let me see exactly. Okay, if you come on this block right here of fuses, 29 will be on the bottom side. The second one from right to left. 1, 2, that 5 amp fuse. This is one of the AC fuses. So this is one of them. I'll get the puller. Okay, we'll use the little side. This is for the small fuse. Okay, now the light will be gone for a second. Okay, let me just try to pull it out. Okay, perfect. This is the fuse, guys. Okay, right here. Replacement ones, we'll share the link where we get ours from. Okay, I'll go ahead and install this one. It's good. And now installation is really hard sometimes on those. Okay, perfect. And now we need to go ahead and find fuse, okay, fuse number 60. So fuse number 60, guys, will be, okay, on that bottom row right there. On that bottom row you will have fuse number 60 will be on the from the little fuses. From right to left will be the second one again, so it's that fuse right there. If you go from left to right, it should be the 5th fuse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And even if you have an empty spot, you still count that, because that's the location. So in our case, it's 7.5. This is for the AC as well. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.